we are going to do one more exercise of how to import a data from multiple Excel sheet and use this in the table visual, right? So this is our Power BI. I will click on Excel workbook. I will click on this building, tallest building sheet, then let it be load, and then I will click on building, then city, then country. All of three are selected. I will click on load, and it will get loaded, all the three sheets. In my right side, you can see here I have got all the three sheets. Now we will check in the model view if all of these are interconnected with each other. Yes, these are all connected. So from the website, if you see, we can now make in the report view, we can make one this kind of table. So what we will do, I will click on the report view. I will click on a table. I will put country, year opened. So country, year opened, and we will click on don't summarize it. And then number of buildings, average height. So number of buildings, right? We can count it, and then the average height. We will take it from here, average. So this is how our data is now looking. So this is very basic chart for now, and you can edit, always edit your chart, always make sure that it should look good. So I can name it as average height building, right? And then I can align it somewhere in the middle, and then I can give some background color as this, and making our table much more good looking. I will click on preset. I will click on this alternate rows, or I can click on contrasting rows, or I can click on flashy rows like this. So it's much similar to this. So this is how you import data, and then you create a relationship, and then you make one Excel or a table. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.